Dad Hack.
So when you're cutting your food, nobody likes to be able to do this. That's not safe. That's going to be a problem. You want something that's going to be stable, not move around for when you're cutting, because you are holding a sharp knife. If this thing slips while you're cutting, you lose a fingertip. That's not fun. Nobody wants to take a trip to the emergency room when they're just trying to cook dinner. So you need to stabilize this thing. How do you do it? What you do is you grab yourself 3 or 4 paper towels, run them under some water, and squeeze them out really well so they're just barely damp. Move your cutting board, lay them down flat, stick your cutting board on top, and press down. Here, let's just go ahead and do it. So you got your paper towels, they're wet. Unroll them. Move your cutting board out of the way where you want it. Place these down. Place your cutting board down on top of them and push. Just give it a nice little push. Now, look at it. There's so much room for activities. That doesn't make sense here. So look at that. It's stable. You're not going to cut yourself. It's not going to slide around on you. It's perfect. And when you're done, you've got a damp rag to start wiping up the countertop with. It's just a super simple hack to keep your cutting board stable and keep you from chopping off fingers. Dad doesn't want anyone to lose any fingers. So I had fun talking to you guys here about cutting boards and hacks and things like that. If you enjoy cooking tips and cooking and recipes and things like that, go ahead and please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell because that's really the only way that the YouTube gods are going to let you know that Dad's got a new video. Dad only doesn't do these long form videos. If you go to Dad's website, dadgotthis.com, you'll find printable recipes for everything I do here on YouTube. They also have shorter, condensed versions of the recipe videos that just have the cooking part. You don't have to listen to Dad dribble if you don't want to. And it makes it really easy to follow the recipe and make the recipe. Dad's all about having fun and cooking food, and I hope you guys are too. So please join me in my further adventures in building Dad Got This. So I had fun chatting with you guys here today about cutting boards and surfaces and all kinds of fun little hacks and stuff like that. That's what Dad Got This is all about. If you like that stuff, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, like one of the videos, ask me a question, make a comment. All that kind of stuff will help YouTube know that you guys like my content, and they'll help push it out there. There's also dadgotthis.com. That's my website. If you go there, you'll find printable versions of all the recipes and a lot of the hacks and things that I do on this channel. I post in Word format there on the website, and they'll have shorter recipe-only versions of the videos to help you guys make the dishes if you don't want to listen to Dad drivel as you're cooking your dinner. So please check out the channel, like, subscribe, check out the website. And when it comes to cooking and food and fun, Dad got this.